Hello everyone, so as you can see here, I am just prepping the nails for the acrylic tip application. And here you can see I am just lightly taking the shine off the natural nails so that the acrylic tip can adhere better onto the natural nails. And here I am just clipping them down or cutting them down to the desired length and then filing them, and then now starting the dipping application. After you finished dipping all 10 fingers in the desired colors, you will then apply the activator, and then now you will go ahead and file the nails to the desired shape. Here you can see that I am going around the cuticles and just lightly drilling the nails and making sure that the cuticles are flushed so that there isn't any premature lifting off of this dipping set. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more videos coming from our lovely nail studio. Have a wonderful day.